Today let us have some more things about cubes and cube roots. Already you have learned what is a cube, what is a cube root, how to find the cube root of smaller numbers. And today let us have some more basing on cubes and cube roots. First let me explain you how to find the cube root of a perfect cube by prime factorization. Cube root of a perfect cube by prime factorization. Okay. Little bigger numbers I am going to explain you. How to find the cube root of 2744. Actually, cube root can be found by prime factorization only, or different ways. Sometimes exponential form will be given to you. That also similar to this only. So let us find the prime factors of 2744. Number is ending with 2 by 2, ending with 4. So it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 1 7 2 8 are 16, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 3, 2 4, 2 3. You see, this number is not divisible by 3. 3 3 is there, 4 is there. As we see, we can know that this is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. Let us see by 7. It is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28, 6 3, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49. So cube root of 2744 is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. And in order to find the cube root of a number, for 3 equal factors you have to take 1. So for 3 2s we have to take 1 2. For 3 7s 1 7, you will get 14. So cube root of 2744 is 14. I hope this is clear to you. Now let me explain you how to find the cube root of little bigger number. Let me explain you. 35937. Okay. You have 4-digit number, you have 5-digit number. I am going to explain you. Same way, let us find the prime factors of the given number. Okay. The number is ending with 7. So it's not divisible by 2. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, we will see. 7 plus 3, 10. 10, 9, 19, 24, 27. Yes. 27 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. Again 3 1s are 3. 2 9. 3 9s are 27. 2 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. Again it will be divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 9. 3 9s are 27. Again 2 7. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3. Again 3 1 3 3 1. And 1 3 3 1 is not divisible by 3. And you see it is not divisible by 5. Whether it is divisible by 7 or not, see. 7 1s are 7, 6 3, 7 9 is 63, no. Next is 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. And you know the test of divisibility by 11 also. Find the sum of alternate digits. That is here 1 3, 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 1 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. If 0 is divisible by 11, the number is divisible by 11. That already you have learned in your lower classes. 11 1s are 11, 2 3, 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11 1s. So cube root of 35937 is equal to cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11 into 11. So for these 3 3s 1 3, for these 3 11s 1 11, if you take, you will get 33. So cube root of 35,937 is equal to 33. I hope this is clear to you. So this is how to find the cube root of a number by prime factorization number. Sometimes if a cube root you have to find the cube root of a number that is which is given in exponential form. How to find? Let me explain you. Okay? So cube root of a perfect cube which is an exponential form, let me explain you. In exponential form. Okay, how to find? So let me explain you one or two examples. The given perfect cube will be in exponential form. Find the cube root of 7 cube into 5 to the power 6. So what you have to do is 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. For 3 sevens you have to take 1 7. 5 to the power 6 means 6 5s are there. So either that way you can take directly, or one more way is cube root of a number means cube root of x means x to the power 1 by 3. Cube root of x square means x to the power 2 by 3. So cube root of x to the power 9 means x to the power 9 by 3, that is x cube. So let us use this formula and find this. So cube root of 7 cube means 7 to the power 3 by 3. Cube root of 5 to the power 6 is 5 to the power 6 by 3. So 3 will be cancelled, 7 to the power 1. Here 3 1s are 3 2s are 5 square. That is 7 into 25. 25 7s are 175. So this formula can be used to find the cube root of a perfect cube which is in exponential form. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Let me explain you one more. Cube root of 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 cube. Same way let us do 2 to the power 9 by 3 into 3 to the power 6 by 3 into 5 to the power 3 by 3. That means cube root means when you open the cube root, powers will be divided by 3. You will get here 2 cube into 3 square into 5. Power 1 you may or may not write. 2 cube is 8. 3 square is 9 into 5. 8 5s are 40. 0. 4 9s are 36. You see children, how I have multiplied. So these are the tricks you have to do and you have to use for maths. You can do 8 9s are 72. 72 into 5 you can do, but easy way always try to know. 8 5s are 40 because towards the right side 1s plus 0 we are getting. So that way if you do 40, 0 means 4 9s are 36. Very simply, without doing any rough work, we are able to find this. I hope this is clear to you. And the next class, many more things I am going to explain. Some more things I am going to explain you. Thank you.